Hi children, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to learn the phonic sounds of letter J. Okay, J sounds J. J sounds J. J for J, jelly. J for J, jelly. J for J, jackfruit. J for J, jackfruit. J for J, jam. J for J, jam. J for J, jug. J for J, jug. J for J, juice. J for J, juice. J for J, jacket. J for J, jacket. Okay children, do you understand? Shall I